Novitec just tuned and modified the exterior, engine, and interior of the new 812 Superfast with its N-Largo S. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, the new Novitec 812 N-Largo S emerges as a bold new reinterpretation of the already spectacular Ferrari 812 Superfast. Now, for those who don't know how to recognize the automotive excellence, Novitec has created a masterpiece that clearly stands out from the original model. Now, keep in mind, Novitec is not paying me to say this, just saw this and wanted to share it with you guys. Now, this car has an unmistakable width, which reaches an impressive 211 centimeters at the rear axle, exceeding the standard 812 Superfast by as much as 14 centimeters. Now, a touch of genius was provided by the designer who gave shape to the distinctive profile and fender flares, integrating them perfectly with the standard bodywork. It's almost hard to tell that this doesn't come from factory. Now, there's a notable detail of the new 812 N-Largo S, which are the wheels. Customized for this wide-body version by a renowned company here in the United States, Vossen. Now, they offered an elegant design of 5 double spokes made with cutting-edge technologies that guarantee lightness and robustness. Vossen really does wheels to a high standard. The concave depth of the rear rims, size 15.5J by 22, is pure visual magic. Now, this accommodates high-performance tires sized at 335/25 ZR22. Now, for an aggressive aerodynamic look, Novitec inserted exposed carbon fiber panels that connected the rear flares to the front fenders, adding a full 7 centimeters to the car width at the front axle. And to intensify the taper aesthetic, 21-inch wheels with a width of 10 inches were chosen, complemented by 275/30 ZR21 tires. Now, Novitec didn't stop there. The N-Largo S package for the Ferrari 812 Superfast includes new fascias and spoilers, optimized in the wind tunnel to ensure greater directional stabilities at high speed. Now, you also have the dedication to excellence that is evident in the details such as the side air intakes and the carbon fiber caps of the exterior mirrors. Now, underlining its sporty essence is the new Novitec 812 N-Largo S is equipped with customized sport springs that reduce the ride height by approximately 35 millimeters, accompanied by an optional front lift system to tackle the road obstacles with greater agility. Now, let's talk about the big elephant in the room. What's under the hood? Novitec engineers took a shot at the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, bringing power to an impressive 840 horses and a maximum torque of 751 newton meters. Now, this jewel accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers or 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds with a top speed of 345 kilometers an hour. Now, the package of this modified 812 Superfast is completed by a high-performance exhaust system and customizable interior with high-quality leather and Alcantara finishes. So, looking at this beast, what do you guys think about the Ferrari 812 N-Largo S? This looks sinister, this looks mean, and if you got a little bit of extra cash, a little bit of extra green, might be worth it to put that cherry on top of your 812 Superfast. But drop your comments down below. What do you guys think about this N-Largo S? And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Guys, I appreciate the extra love you guys show. Thank you so much. It goes a long way. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and social media links down in the description below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.